loves you. All right, here we go. A chicken farmer went out one dark and dreary day. He rested by the coop as he went along his way. When all at once a rotten egg hit him in the eye. It was a sight he dreaded. Ghost chickens in the sky. Girls sing, girls sing. Boys sing. Everybody together sing. Ghost chickens in the sky. This farmer had had these chickens since he was 24. He'd been working for the colonel for 30 years or more. Killing all these chickens and sending them to fry. And now they want revenge. Ghost chickens in the sky. Girls sing, girls sing. Boys sing. Everybody together sing. Ghost chickens in the sky. Their meats were black and shiny. Their eyes were burning red. They had no meat or feathers. These chickens, they were dead. They picked the farmer up and he died by the claw. They cooked him extra crispy and served him with coleslaw. Girls sing, girls. Boys sing. Everybody other sing. Ghost chickens in the sky. One more time, girls sing, girls. Boys sing. Everybody together sing. Ghost chickens in the sky. One more time, a little quieter, please. Ghost chickens in the sky. This time, whisper. Ghost chickens in the sky. Give yourselves a big hand.